Hey guys, so this was a project that I've been working on over the past 2 days, and it doesn't have a name yet. So for now, it's just what I like to call a better vacation replay app to let people share their vacations with others in a more interactive way. People could use this as a better medium and post a link on social media to share their vacation, or they could do it for themselves as they could have a more pleasurable experience looking back at all their photos and places they went on vacation. The original impetus for making this project was as a gift to my dad, who loves to go on vacation and look back on his pictures. Now, I can have him see his pictures in context and have him travel along, replaying the vacation. This way, it's a more interactive experience, and you can see, oh, we moved north a little more, and here was the nearby place, here's the nearby state, and you can see him travel along and see the order of the places he visited. Instead of just saying, oh, here's some pictures in a vacuum, not being able to truly remember the experience. So let me go and show you guys the app now. This is just a video I recorded a little earlier, and here it is. So starting off, you have a vacation app. You have to be able to mark down the spots you visited with map markers. I started here in Maryland, Washington, and now I need to go to other places I visited. I implemented 2 modes for this app. I have a viewing mode and a marker mode. You can easily switch modes by pressing the letter Z, and right here, this square denotes the current mode that you're in based off the color. Right now, it is red, which is just the viewing mode. So you can see me pressing around, nothing's happening. I press Z, goes into the map marker mode, and now I can place down spots where I visit. So I visited Philadelphia, visited New York, visited Portland, went to Bangor, and went to Acadia. Now I press Z, pressing again, nothing is happening. And now along each path, I can go ahead and click on each marker, click on Philadelphia. I can go ahead and add an image I visited. So I went to Philadelphia. I can also add some text. So Philly was a great place with great cheese steaks. Philly cheesesteaks. And then here you go. You can go ahead and just along the path, just, hey, you know what? This was New York. New York City was great. And you can just do it all along the path. So this was Acadia. So yeah. And now, in the future, obviously, click on this again to close it. This is not the greatest UI. In the future, it'll be a lot better. And you have multiple images. So you can upload multiple images. And it'll be a whole carousel of images that you can just cycle through with the image and the caption. And then, of course, I said this was an interactive replaying component on this app. So right now at the beginning, as I scroll down, as you can see, a path is being drawn. So this right here is the interactive part. So as you can see, this red line is swallowing up the blue line, and you can see the whole trip. Travel a little bit, reach Bangor, travel a little more, reach Acadia. And of course, you can scroll up and go backwards. So, so as you scroll to end, vacation ends, scroll back to the beginning, replay the whole experience. And as you click on one, you can just look at the experience. There are numerous things I can do to make this a lot better in the future. For one, this user interface is obviously not the best. Make things a lot smoother, especially this part, which is really ugly. And I can also make it so that after I pass on a spot, automatically pops up what happened, this little dialogue. And then also, of course, I can hook this all up into a server and database and actually save these with accounts and everything. So then you can actually share these with the link and not just on local. But yeah. Thanks for tuning in this app demo. Improvements will be made. This is just my vacation replay app minimum viable product number 1, and this is the prototype. Thank you.